what are the, while adding expressions or human persona, let's see what are the common things that we can find. What are the common features of humans? That is eyes, mouth, nose, then limbs. All these things are quite expressive, right? Yeah, these things are expressive. Even eyebrows, correct. Eyes slash eyebrows. But when it comes to human form, it is quite visible. But when we turn these things into non-living things, we cannot show each and everything. Okay? We cannot show each and everything, as it might interrupt or ruin your cartoon. For example, you have watched Cars movie. In that Cars movie, did they show hands and legs to a car? No, they didn't. But instead, they tried relating it with the tires of the car, right? They showed that they used to run on the tires. The only persona added to that particular cartoon was eyes and the mouth. These are the two important personas which you can add on any particular non-living object. Okay, let's see how. Now we are going to learn a little bit about expression. Now, how to draw expressions. For eyes, make sure you draw two ovals or eggs right next to each other. Depending on the shape of what kind of eye structures you want to give them. Once you draw this, once you are defined with your eyes shape, start creating your expressions. Okay. Now, I want you all to observe your own selves. Okay. Take a mirror in front of you or stand in front of a mirror. Try to look, try to smile, be happy. Okay. And observe how your eyes and your eyebrows react. Right? Your eyebrows will look like this, right? And your eyes will be happy. Correct? Now, what if you are sad? You want to show sad eyes? You turn it down. What if you want to show some excited, showing eyebrows going even more up? Surprised, surprised form. You can show the eyes even a little bigger for that matter. For example, if you want to show sleepy, and often this Z sign is added when a person is sleepy, right? Looks annoyed. Shivani says it looks annoyed. Now, see, for that matter, let's go for angry one here. Now, when we are angry, our eyebrows tend to appear like this. right? See, these are very basic expressions, and that's all we need to create any basic cartoon. I believe these are the almost, all the basic expressions that we as a human person shows or try to react on any situation. So why not the cartoon? I'll just fill up all the eyeballs. Now, this was the part of their eyes. What about the mouth? Even mouth or showing the lips, it is important. It is expressive for the expression. Happy? Mm-hmm. Sad, amazed. When you're amazed, your mouth drops, the jaw dropping expression. When you're sleepy, you barely open your mouth. Now, when you're angry, you basically like this, right? You might bite your own teeth like this. See, the form of expressions are very simple. Okay. Now, adding these forms on any non-living object, is going to make them look like a cartoon. Okay. So, see, if I just try to show the angry one with a smile. Now, this turns into a mischievous grin. Okay. Saganik Bera says the awe one. For the awe one, you can show your eyes like this. When you say awe, your pupils, okay, your eyes, you can show some, droplets or some reflections in that, making it look watery. With a small mouth like this. How can we make a scared face? All right, scared face. Now, when you're scared, you can look at your own self. You will be expressive with wide eyes open. It will be more like an amazed one, but rather your face will be sad. See, all these emotions, for example, sadness or afraid, all these are negative emotions, right? When we are afraid, we rather tend to be sad as well about that particular thing. Prior, you can just turn the lazy guy into tired guy. See? Here we are just adding some expressions so that we can get hands on it. Okay.